Yeah, Jake, right over here.
Oh my. Wow.
Okay. Right here.
Oh my word.
Right there. Look at it. See it on the ground too? It's like two different ones. That is so weird. They're like disconnected.
Let's go.
I'm not doing very good. I'm bouncing around here.
Going down now. Oh man.
Let's get out of here.
Oh, it's fine. Yeah, I'm gonna go get Ruben though. Just watch it, boys. You'll never see this again. Just watch it. Jeremy will tell you when we leave.
Hey, when do we go?
Wow. That could be big. Oh my goodness. It's down. It just touched down.
Yeah.
Now it's back up again.
Oh,
It's coming right. Oh my.
Is it coming towards us, Jeremy? Hey,
Yeah. You're gonna wanna.
Tornado right through the van and thing. Okay.
Wow. Oh my word.
Go to the basement, you can. Oh, it is huge.
Look at that.
Look at it. It's huge.
I can see it.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. We are fine. Do you see it now?
Yeah. I feel plenty of good.
Wow. That is huge.
That's big.
That is huge.
Look how that helps.
Oh my word.
What is it going to do?
I don't know.
Race to safety.
Where's John and Mary? John and Mary's on the tree.
I think it's north of the highway. I don't know. It's hard to tell. That is big, and it's getting bigger.
It is.
Wow.
Come on, boys. Yeah, let's go.
Okay, yeah, that's a good idea. Look at all that debris flying around there. Here's where we are. It's a little ways off yet. Wow. That is just enormous. Oh my goodness. Wow. Unbelievable. They ain't letting up either. Good grief. That is huge. That is huge. Wow. Oh my goodness. Starting to scare me. Could do some major damage. That is not good. Wow. Look out, cars. Wow, that is violent. Power of God right there. Unbelievable.
Where's Shocky at?
I don't know. That's coming this way. That is not, that is huge. Oh my. Holy cow. I don't know, but that is huge. That's going to do some major damage. Oh my goodness.
Here, don't let go.
Okay. It's getting closer. That's scary. Very scary. It's got to be half a mile wide almost. Base of it. Wow. My heart's pounding like crazy. It's incredible. That is just unbelievable. Wow, I'm amazed. Unbelievable. It's God's fingertip right there. That's how much power that is. Oh my goodness. That is huge. Look, yeah, look at that debris. That's all debris right there. Oh my goodness. Debris is flying everywhere, and it's destroyed. Tiny pieces. Getting closer too. Oh my. It's hard to believe. Wow. Look at that swirl. Look at that swirl over there. GPS better get out of here quick. That was close. My goodness, look at that debris. It's breaking up. It's breaking up. I think it's getting smaller. Praise God. Oh my. Definitely getting smaller, but it's still big. Wow, I'm not shaking. Wow, look at all that debris. Once again, that is the power of God. I think it's getting big again. I don't know. Oh my word.
Jeremy, I think you gotta send that to the nurse.
You think?
Get it out, boy.
I don't think it's over with yet.
It looked like it was getting smaller. I think it's big again.
Get out. I don't know. It might be safer. We need to be going now if we're gonna go.
Should we leave or go in the basement?
Exactly.
They look so far away.
That is huge.
Yeah.
That is huge.
That's the hugest one I ever seen, Jeremy, that's the hugest one I ever seen.
Oh my goodness.
That's the hugest one I ever seen.
There's another sound here.
That's the hugest tornado I ever seen.
it's still-
It's very close.
They look so far away.
That is
and then
huge.
Yeah.
That is huge.
That's the hugest one I ever seen, Jeremy, that's the hugest one I ever
Oh
seen.
my goodness.
That's the hugest one I ever
There's
seen.
another sound here.
That's the hugest tornado I ever seen.
I'd say just go south.
Get the heck out of the way, that's all. That's
I'd say go further south.
just cruise. Unbelievable.
What
I'd say you could head back east behind it. Or
I'd get a
west.
couple miles out of the way
Yeah.
before you do that.
I don't know. Maybe we won't be able to get back home. Put debris on the road. I'd say you're fine. When there's debris on the road, you can't go on the road, babe.
That is incredible.
The fire engine's behind us, so go where the fire engine. They're gonna keep them out of harm's way.
Look at that. That's like a mile from our house, baby. That thing's big. This is dangerous, man. That's huge. That is like a mile from our house. That's enormous. Wow. Look at that twister. That's big. I've never seen anything like that. That is crazy. I gotta stop here. I hope I don't get too close and get cut off. That's coming towards us. Wow. That's unreal. Okay, I'm now within about 100 yards of it. This is crazy. I don't know if I should be doing this. See if you can hear it. Dang, I gotta get out from behind the corn here. This is bad. Wow. Starting to rain. Oh my goodness. That's so big. This is amazing. Wow. Look how calm it is. We're within a mile of it. It's a big tornado. Oh, there it's lifting up. Oh my goodness. That's amazing. There's some debris floating around in there. Look at that. Wow. Look at all that stuff all the way out there. That's throwing it. Hear the tornado siren. See if we can get closer here. It's kind of dangerous, but I like doing this. That's about a half mile out across the field. I put the windows up, it's pouring. It's starting to. I can't see. Yeah, I gotta turn around. This is crazy. It's coming right at me.
I'm getting way too close. I need to turn around. Okay. We're starting to get hit with debris from it. There's the Wiegand's house. It's in their backyard pretty much. Look at that thing. Wow, there's all the debris coming at us. We're getting hit with it. Oh my goodness. Look at all this trash flying in the air. Holy smokes. That's unbelievable. Oh my goodness. That is amazing. That is amazing. I've never seen anything like that. Wow. I'm way too close. We got debris flying everywhere. Look at this. There's a tornado. Wow, this is so unreal. I'm so close to it. There's more debris. Oh my goodness. This is crazy. I gotta get out of here. We'll go in the church parking lot here. Turn around. Look at all this stuff flying. It's everywhere. Must have got a house ripped down. I don't know which way it's coming, is the scary thing. Look at that. This is right in the church cemetery almost. I gotta stay here in case it's gonna hit me or something. Wow. God, please help us not get smoked by this thing. It's unreal. It's not even raining. Perfectly clear, and that thing's coming. It's going right at this house over here. I hope we don't get hit by it. I'm gonna go get behind it so it doesn't comes at me. That's pretty dangerous. That's gonna hit the church. Please don't let that happen. I hope those girls at my house are all right. Where's it going? No, I can't tell where it's going. This is crazy. Wow. Look at that. Let me step out of here. I want to see what it hears like. Sounds like. Wow! That's unreal. Look at that thing. Look at the corn laying down. That is enormous. I can't believe that. It's gotta be so dangerous. My cast on my leg. I'm hopping around after the tornadoes in the cast. And getting hit with debris. Wow. Alright, I'm gonna get back in. It's getting really close. I'm getting scared here. I can't hardly pull the door closed. This isn't good, guys.